There is only one way to build a cleaning business that is highly profitable, simple, and something that you actually enjoy running. And that is by working exclusively with premium clients, specifically high ticket commercial clients, the kind that pay $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 per month. A few of the right clients, and you have something real. The problem is that from the outside, those contracts look intimidating. And I know what you're probably thinking, who pays $5,000 a month just for cleaning? What is involved? What kind of equipment do you need? What kind of experience do you need? In this video, I'm going to demystify all of that. I'm going to tell you exactly what big contracts actually look like and show you why they're not nearly as scary as they may appear. But if you're new around here, my name is Mike Mack. I've been building office cleaning businesses for the last 10 years. I'm now on my third cleaning business in a completely new state. And for the last 6 years, I've been helping folks like you build your own cleaning business. Very successful cleaning business that you don't need a vacation from. So let me start with the assumption most people have when they hear big contract. They think something massive, special equipment, a huge team, complicated scope of work, something that requires years of experience just to manage. And I understand why it feels that way. But here's what most people do not realize until they're actually in one. There is not a ton of difference between cleaning a $500 per month account and a $5,000 a month account. In fact, this surprises almost everyone I talk to about it. The bigger the contract is, often the easier it is. And I'm not talking out of my backside here. I intend to prove that. So here's why. A $5,000 per month cleaning contract is almost always a daily clean. And when your team is there every single night handling business, then the job every night is just easier. And that's because things don't pile up. The bathrooms aren't wrecked because they weren't touched for the last 2 weeks. The floors are not a disaster because nobody came by for the last 10 days. But compare that to a one time per week location or even a twice per week location. Because when you do, you'll see that everything gets to build up when your team is not there that often. And that makes it to where every time you go to one of those accounts, you're ended up having to do a reset type of clean on a weekly basis. So you're picking up what I'm putting down here? More days per week equal simpler nights and better margins. And that is the reality of high ticket contracts, and nobody talks about it. Now, let me tell you about the client on the other side of that contract, because understanding who they are and what they're actually looking for, that's going to change everything on how you approach this. See, premium office contract managers, property managers, dealership owners, they're not just sitting around waiting to grill you on your resume. They do not have the time for that. Instead, they are busy and they have hundreds of things going on at all times. And cleaning is a problem they want off their plate permanently. So here's what they're actually tired of. They hired a cleaning company after a cleaning company made them all the same promises, and they've been doing this for 10 years, and their attention to detail is insane, they're reliable, they're responsible. They've heard it all, and every single time it starts the same way. It's hot right out of the gate, the company's responsive, they're accountable, the cleaners show up, the place looks good, things feel promising. And then it slowly starts to fade away. Different cleaners start showing up, the performance starts to drop, complaints are starting to get ignored, calls are getting unanswered. See, what started as a professional relationship, well, it starts feeling adversarial. And that's because they're showing pictures of missed areas and they're being told that everything looks fine. And by the time they're ready to make a switch, they're not just looking for a company with the longest track record. They're actually exhausted by talking about track records. They want somebody hungry. They're looking for someone who can actually answer the phone, someone who will take accountability when something gets missed, instead of debating the pictures that they show. And that is where you come in. Your eagerness is not a weakness. It's exactly what they're looking for after years of being let down by companies that just flat out got comfortable. Let me tell you about my first big contract. It was Mercedes-Benz. It was $6,800 per month. Now, I had been in this industry for years at that point. Now, I knew exactly how to clean. I knew how to manage a team. I knew this model inside and out. And I still walked into that walkthrough feeling like I was not ready. Not because of the cleaning, not because of the team that I was going to ultimately have to build there. It was purely in my head. My identity had not caught up to my ability yet. See, the first night on that account, I showed up to meet my new cleaners and we got to work. And I'm going to be honest, walking in, I was thinking, man, this place is massive. What did we get ourselves into? But you know what happened next? About an hour in, I'm seeing things getting done. Everything is starting to look really good. Then my confidence started building in real time. And then we finished. And then I went home. The next morning, no emails. And I was nervous about that. I was almost expecting something bad. So I called later that afternoon and the client said, "You guys did a spectacular job. Absolutely spectacular. And if you keep this up, you have a lifetime client with us." And that was it. That was the moment I realized there was nothing new under the sun. The same principles that work on a $500 per month office contract worked on a $5,000 per month contract. The same standards existed, the same communication, the same care. The only difference was the number on the invoice. So if you're sitting there thinking you're not ready for the big clients, I want you to hear this. You are ready right now. Just like I was ready before I went on that walkthrough. I just didn't know it yet. See, the scope is not dramatically different and the process is not dramatically different. The client on the other side is not looking for perfection. They are just looking for someone who shows up, communicates, doesn't disappear when something goes wrong. It's not that complicated. It's just in how you run the business. And the reward for doing it right with even 3 or 4 or 5 of these clients is a business that pays you handsomely. It runs simply and gives you something most business owners ultimately never have, and that's peace of mind. If you want help landing your first few high-ticket contracts the right way, then I want you to click the first link in the description, book a free call, talk with my team, see how we can help you get there. If you prefer to hang out on YouTube University a bit longer, that's cool too. Watch this video right here because I think it's a perfect next step for you.